Alrighty, boys and girls, back at it again and again and again. Oh, here we are. This is the new shop. She's a two-door. We moved the shop. Jake moved. We're at a new location. So we're just going hog wild trying to get everything done. Fortunately, there's no sheeting in the place, so she's cold and drafty. We put in some El
Lights.
cheapo Amazon lights.
Yeah.
So what we did was we put a receptacle for each run. I don't know if you can see it up there. It's right there. We put a receptacle in for each run, and then we just do the pigtail within the light to go down. We got a lighting map that I got online, and we went crazy and did that. So we put extra lighting in because we've always had a kind of a dark shop. And then we'll play with that. What's kind of nice about this pigtail setup is we can rip it out anytime we want and redo it.
Put different lights in it.
Yeah, we can move it. I mean, they were cheap enough to get us going.
Yeah.
So we just moved. So of course, again, we just like take everything and throw it in there. I'm doing receptacles right now. About every 64 inches, we're going to have a receptacle. Because the other shop only had two down each wall.
Yeah, we didn't have a lot. So
2 or 3, it wasn't enough. And we were always searching for just tripping over extension cords. So that's the plan there, is to do it this way. We're just running that. You can remember the old shelving from the old shop. So we got to get this up and functioning so we can do some work. And hopefully it'll be work that pays. We still got a lot of stuff in storage, so that's kind of a problem. So what do we have today's issue? So today's issue, other than doing the wiring, was this wall had popped out. And it was, would we pull that back? If you can see that original stud right here, that was like there. That was way out that far. So we pulled it back as best we could. Put an anchor in. We used the chain ratchet strap.
2 ratchet straps across the one of the
Right across the
studs.
room. Check out that. Right over to the other wall. So that's what we did. All right, release that, Jake. Can you pull back? Whew. There's a bite. So that's, hey,
It didn't move.
that's striker. No, it got less.
It didn't move.
No, it didn't move. The wall didn't move, but the tension on the wall helps the door, because the door wouldn't close. That's closing. And the gap opened up a little bit.
So yeah.
So it is okay.
For now, we're gonna.
It's just not square because you see all the daylight coming through there. We're gonna fix
We're gonna
that.
fix everything. Yeah.
But I got it. We don't have anything to do it, and I had to lower the striker plate down.
Just we had a last winter blast, so
Yeah, look at this.
we got smoked pretty decent yesterday.
I got 10 inches at my place. So yeah, that's what we were up against. So we got that done. Oh, I like that. Look, watch. And it's closed. Here, try it. You feel it.
Yeah, that's perfect. So now we can go through the side door, which is beauties.
So we're doing two lights on this side of the wall, or this side of the room. So that's them.
And the last
And
one
then
will
the
be
last
its own
one will be its own circuit. See, we don't got to run all the lights all the time unless we have to. Every 64 inches, we're doing an outlet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do the same thing all the way across the back. And then we'll do the same thing down this wall. We're going to put a couple of dedicated 20 amp circuits in at 120. We got to put a circuit in for the air compressor. And then we have to do the welding circuit. I think most of the welding will go on this side. So what we'll do after we upgrade the panel, because this old pig, that's coming out. But we need it for now. That, by the way, is a generator hookup. That goes into the house. They had the generator in here with the exhaust going out that hole. And yeah. Whew, I'm beat. This is what we're up against. So we're trying to get some stuff done. we threw that circuit in there temporary because we had the light over the wall because there was no light in here, right? We were relying off of these things. Push that light on, the light button. Like, those are just pathetic.
Yeah.
So that's all they had in here. Beautiful 28 by 28 shop. Not an outlet to be found inside. There's 2 on the outside wall at the front, but none on the inside. Don't ask me why. But there's going to be. So like I said, 5 outlets down each wall. So it'll be 5. So there'll be 15 outlets because we'll go, no, we might go 6 across the back. We'll figure it out. Doesn't matter. Because you know what? Outlets are cheap to put in. Don't cheap out on outlets. It's not worth it, boys and girls. It's just a pain in the butt to be always hunting for extension cords because you don't have light. So you know what? What's the cost in a light, like receptacle? $4?
Yeah, it's not worth
$6 tops plus the wire? Like, what are we talking?
It's not worth burying it all and then having.
Yeah, everything, you move something and it's in the way and you can't get to your outlet, right? So that's what we're doing. So I know I haven't done any videos lately. I'll do one last snowblower video, I think. I found a magical thing about Aaron snowblowers, and I'll let you know what that is. And it's something it's a dirty little secret that Aaron's doesn't want you to know. So there you go. So that's where we are, trying to get the shop going. It's not a bad day. It's 1 degree Celsius, which is, I don't know, 34 Fahrenheit maybe, 35 Fahrenheit for my American friends. So it's not too bad. Everything seems to be okay now. I don't know what else to tell you. We just got a little bit of work to do. Yeah. So I'm going to close the video and thank you guys for tuning in again. New homestead for Jake. Well, let's give you a quick tour so you know what we're looking at here.
We're gonna put in a big garden this summer, and
yeah. So let's go outside out in the brightness. Whew! I can't even see the camera. So this is the shop, right? Can you see that? It needs a roof, so we've got to do a roof first project. There's a burn pile over there. That's the chicken coop. Right there. Jake got that going. Yeah, I got the birds in there. Yeah.
get eggs again.
Starting to get egg production? Good.
Sunlight's coming.
So
Sunlight's getting
there's the
brighter.
place. It needs a little bit of work, needs some TLC. We're okay with that. It's just another project. And that's good. Anyway, like, subscribe. Subscribe, ring the bell, check back often. And thanks for tuning in. And we'll see you soon.